I don't trust words. I trust actions. People can tell you anything, but actions tell you everything. Walk away from people who put you down. Walk away from fights that will never be resolved. Walk away from trying to please people who will never see your worth. The more you walk away from things that poison your soul, the healthier you will be. My children are my greatest love. Things may fall apart around us, but I find the strength to carry on because I am not just living for me. They give me life, a whole new meaning, and I am so grateful. My moral in life is simple. You treat me good, and I will definitely treat you better. We all broke our own rules for someone. Appreciate those who love you. Help those who need you. Forgive those who hurt you. Forget those who leave you. A real man spoils his lady with attention, affection, respect, honesty, loyalty, and love. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of blessings, you attract blessings. And if you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts and always remain positive and optimistic. The best feelings in the world is knowing that someone is happy because of you. Distance doesn't matter when roots of your relationship are strong enough. If you want to be strong, learn how to fight alone. Six ethics in life. Before you pray, believe. Before you speak, listen. Before you spend, earn. Before you write, think. Before you quit, try. And before you die, live. Don't marry a rich man. Marry a good man. He will spend his life trying to make you happy. No money can buy that. A mother's dream is to see her children grow to be happy and successful. A strong woman may remain silent when people talk behind her back, but that doesn't mean she doesn't notice. It simply means she chooses not to waste her energy on foolishness. She has more important things to do. Never take advantage of someone who likes you. Never say you're busy to someone who needs you. Never cheat on the one who has trust in you. Never forget those who always remember you. Don't let people know too much about you. If a friendship lasts longer than 7 years, you are no longer just friends, you are family. The art of being happy is to be satisfied with what you have. Family is the most important thing in the world. Never tell anyone your plans. Show them your results instead. God, I put everything in your hand today, my family, my health, my home, my security, my fears and feelings. You are the only one I trust with all I have and all I am. Thank you. Apologizing does not mean you are wrong and the other person is right. It just means you value your relationship more than your ego. Don't feel bad if people remember you when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their mind when there is darkness. Spending time with children is more important than spending money on children. Dear God, please put an end to the coronavirus. Amen. If you believe in yourself, anything is possible. What maturity is? When someone's last scene doesn't affect you, when being blocked doesn't affect you, when losing someone doesn't affect you, when you realize that your parents' smile matters a lot to you. It's when we smile instead of showing our real emotions. It's when we start living happily alone. Sometimes in life we just need a hug. No words, no advice, just a hug to make you feel better. A strong woman may remain silent when people talk behind her back, but that doesn't mean she doesn't notice. It simply means she chooses not to waste her energy on foolishness. People talk behind your back for 3 reasons. When they can't reach your level, when they don't have what you have, when they try to copy your lifestyle but can't. Life is beautiful. 1 day, 1 hour, and 1 minute will not come again in your entire life. Avoid fights, angriness, and speak loudly to every person. A doctor can save your life. A lawyer can defend your life. A soldier can give you peaceful life, but only God can give you everlasting life. Be good enough to forgive someone, but don't be stupid enough to trust them again. Be kind, be fair, be honest, be true, and all of these things will come back to you. Lord, please place a shield of protection around my family and friends. Let no harm come to them. Bless them as they go about their day. Standing alone doesn't mean I'm alone. It means I'm strong enough to handle things all by myself. Be a good person, but don't waste time to prove it. Never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. The less you respond to negative people, the more peaceful your life will become. When you're up in life, your friends get to know who you are. When you're down in life, you get to know who your friends are. I'm so glad I had a childhood before technology took over. Some people don't understand that sitting in your own house in peace, eating snacks, and minding your own business is priceless. Fake people gossip about everyone else. Real people mind their own business. People don't always need advice. Sometimes all they really need is a hand to hold, a ear to listen, and heart to understand them. Anger is the feeling that makes your mouth work faster than your mind. There is no greater blessing in life than watching your children grow. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Always have a unique character like salt. Its presence is not felt, but its absence makes all things tasteless. Health does not always come from medicine. Most of the time, it comes from peace of mind, peace in the heart, peace of soul. It comes from laughter and love. Marriage doesn't guarantee you will be together forever. It's only paper. It takes love, respect, trust, understanding, friendship, and faith to make it last.